Good afternoon, ngayon po ay November 25, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong November 25, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, November 25, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 25, 2024, Monday. Here is my tonight's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, November 25, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of November 25, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.